Hey guys, back here again with my second box of 1988 Topps football. I'll be going through this one a bit quicker. I won't be saying all the names of everybody, so hopefully get through them a lot quicker, so not too long. So I am watching the draft as I am opening these, so I'll probably be commenting on that a little bit. So here we go. Nice Jerry Rice. Alright, and there's our 1,000-yard club. I'm just about done with the set, so I'm hoping to get a few more cards for everything. So I have noticed that some of the cards are rookie cards. Like that's a Chris Dolman rookie card, but it doesn't say rookie on it. I'm very confused by that. And if anybody has any information on that, I know there's a few of them that have the super rookies or rookies, and then there's just a regular looking base card that are also rookies, even though the back they say like they started on the team in like 1990 or 1986, but 88 is their rookie card, as we pull two rookies there. So anybody, any information on that, let me know, because I'm very confused. And that was my phone going off. Check that really quick. I'm just talking about the draft. Asking why the Lions went with a tight end at number 10. I live in Michigan, so I'm a Packers fan, but I gotta stick with the Lions too, through all the turmoil. So nice, Bo Jackson rookie, very nice. That is something I'm always looking for. Very nice. So, and then the Al-Tune. So try to organize these a little bit as I go from what I can remember. Let's see who the Jets pick. Calvin Pryor. Nice. And we got a checklist. Very good. Nice. Another miscut Marcus Allen. And got one of those miscut Marcus Allens in my first box. I got quite a bit miscut. 1,000-yard club. And all that gum residue is making it hard to go through these quickly. And there's a miscut Webster Slaughter. 3 packs here. In every pack I have, these guys are always right next to each other. Nice Joe Montana record breaker. Nice Clay Matthews. Nice rookie there. And a Gray Clark. 1,000-yard club. And on to the last one of part 1 of box number 2. Very nice rookie there. And an Anthony Carter. So there we go. Box number 2, part 1. Stay tuned for the next 3 parts, guys. I will see you later.